Buongiorno a tutti. Here we are again in my little kitchen in Lecce in the south of Italy. My name is Francesco and today I'm going to make a very simple lunch which is going to be grilled red bell pepper with zucchini, and I'm going to serve these with some chickpeas. The chickpeas I'm going to cook with some fennel seeds, which is going to make them a little bit easier to digest and more delicious. And I'm going to make a dressing that we call salmorellio in Sicily. This is made of parsley with oregano, garlic, vinegar and some good extra virgin olive oil. So these are great simple summer flavors which are great as a side dish. You can use the salmorellio for anything that comes from the grill, vegetables, chicken, fish, absolutely everything, and it's just the most wonderful summer flavor. So I hope you enjoy the recipe. If you do, please give me a thumbs up, click on the link down below and subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. Then come back and follow me for more. Let's cook. For today's recipe you are going to need red bell pepper and zucchini, canned chickpeas, fennel seeds, oregano, garlic, parsley, vinegar and a good extra virgin olive oil. Basically this video is all about the dressing, which goes really well with anything that comes from the grill. So we're going to need to grill something, and today I decided to grill some vegetables. As you can see, red bell pepper and zucchini. The zucchini needs to be cut into slices that are thin but not too thin, about half a centimetre. And the bell pepper should be cut into slices that allow it to lie nice and flat on your grill or griddle. The most important ingredient, where we're going to need to do a little bit of fine chopping, is a clove of garlic. This is going to flavour our salmoriglio as well as the few chickpeas that we're going to cook to serve with them. We're also going to need a good bunch of parsley chopped very finely. We'll start to heat up our griddle, and in the meantime heat a little bit of olive oil in which we're going to fry just a little bit of garlic and about a teaspoon of fennel seeds. We're going to let these fry for just a minute or so until their flavour infuses into the oil, and then we'll add a small tin of chickpeas. This was just 150 grams. We're going to season these simply with salt and pepper and let them cook for about 10 or 15 minutes. This will give them plenty of time to infuse with flavour and then to cool down whilst we go ahead and grill the other vegetables. By now the griddle is scorchingly hot, and we're going to go ahead and lay down the bell pepper skin side down and the zucchini slices. After 8 or 9 minutes, add a splash of water to the chickpeas to deglaze anything that may have set to the bottom of the saucepan. That will be good fennel and garlic flavour, which will cook into the chickpeas, and this water will evaporate away. Back to the skillet, make sure to press everything down to get some good scorch marks, and then flip them all over and begin seasoning, simply with salt and pepper. We don't want to add any oil or anything like that. We want the vegetables to cook in their own juices and to get nicely scorched and cooked through. And the salmorellio is going to do all of that work, flavouring the food once everything is ready. There's going to be plenty of good flavour in that sauce, and we'll get started on that right now. We're going to begin with about a half teaspoon of finely chopped garlic, to which we're going to add a teaspoon of oregano and a good splash of boiling water. This is going to take away the harshness of the raw flavour of the garlic, and it's also going to help its flavour to infuse, along with the dried oregano, into the rest of the ingredients. And they are, as you can see, a good splash of white wine vinegar and a good drizzle of your best extra virgin olive oil. Seasoned with salt and pepper, and by now everything's cooled down enough that we can add the parsley and stir it through, and the salmorellio is finished. That's all there is to it. These are very simple but vibrant and delicious flavours which go really well with anything grilled. Try it once and you'll never look back. All we need to do now is to serve everything up and make it look a little bit pretty, and then we can go ahead and add the sauce to all of our ingredients. The pepper, the zucchini, and then of course the chickpeas, which by now have cooled down. Now comes the moment that we add plenty of that lovely, rich salmorellio to everything. The cool thing about this is the longer that you leave it, the more it's going to infuse into the food and the better it's going to taste. You can use it as a marinade as well. So there you have it, a rich and tasty but healthy summer dressing. All you need to do now is to enjoy. Buon appetito!